Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Swati. Today I brought you new video on the interior designing. If you are beginner, if you are learner, if you are student, you are into the interior field and you don't have a laptop or any system, so no worries. I brought you new application that you can install in phone or your cell, and easily you can draw the design related to interior, either your bedroom, kitchen, modular kitchen, a living room, anything you can design. That is a very beautiful application and user friendly. You can easily learn that application. So how to install and how it will work, that we are going to learn today. So let's start. So as I told, how to install the application we will see. The name of application is Home by Me. Just I'll go for Play Store, open the Play Store, and then you have to go for search, and here you have to search Home by Me. Then here we go. The application will look like this, so you have to install here. It is just of 26 MB. Easily you can install to your phone. So here we go. Almost it has done. Then we will open that. Here the user interface will come like this. Just slide on, and here they will ask, welcome to Home by Me, get inspired, start a project, find your project. So get inspired, in that you will get so many projects. Accept all cookies you have to do. See here, you can slide on. You can see so many interior drawings and examples they have mentioned. You can follow those drawings. If you are new, you are unable to imagine, or you don't have any idea related to interior, so you can follow these drawings. So these are the already they have made these drawings, and after that if you want to go here down, you will get inspiration, catalogs. If you'll click for catalogs, you will get furnitures. You can search in search bar also. Suppose if I want bed related to that furniture, it will come. Next, here the profile will show. You can sign in from here. Here the collection will come. Once if you will sign, either you can sign in from Google or Facebook. So here I'll sign in from Google. Pick any one Google account, which one you are having. See, already I have signed in through that email, that's why. See here in my projects they are showing the history. So in catalog you will get all the types, varieties of furnitures. In projects, which projects you have done, that they will show. Again in that project, if you want to add rooms, here the option it will come, add rooms. So which room you want to add, you can either select living room, kitchen, bedroom, bathroom according to kids. So you will get so many options. After sliding that, here garden, patio, here it will get. Then see, if I want projects, and then I'll go back. Here share project option also it will come, and here my project option. So this is the user interface. And how to start, if I will go for projects, here for plus button you have to press, and then what type of project you want to create, they'll ask. So here I'll minimize this. Next you do, and then suppose I want living room, how many rooms you want, they'll ask. Again, if you have 1 BHK, you can add living room, again one kitchen, one bedroom, one bathroom, so it's enough. Then next you can give name, 1 BHK. I'll give validate you have to do. Then see my project. So here rooms they are showing. So what you have to do, you have to go for view all, then select one by one. Now the shape of your room they are asking. Suppose I want rectangular, and then size of room, small, medium, XL, large, according to small I want. So next I'll do creating drawings, it will show. See your bathroom, it has came here. So next what you have to do, here it will come 2D, 3D. This is the 2D drawing. So again next what, here you'll get the option of doors, paint, material, and again here down you can see add room separator, add room exterior, add walls, add exterior border. So we don't want anything, already we have. So door I want, so I'll go for door. So it will ask folding door, front door, garage door, which door you want. So front door I want. So they'll show options. So we don't want front door, as I'll folding door I'll select. This one I'll choose. They'll ask width, height. Here you can set height from floor, so that also you can say. So I have given finish. If you will select, it will ask change material. You can go from here. Now here it is showing. So I'll select this. See, it's very easy. If I will select this wall, I want to add door, so already my dimension I have mentioned. According to that it will capture. Next, how to add room we will see. Next we will add next room. So here you go down, add room exterior. So I want to add kitchen. So it will ask which type of shape you want. Rectangle I want, so medium size. Next, so this you have to drag and drop. So this is my kitchen, validate you have to do. Next I want to add next room, that is a living room, so that is also I want. So this is little medium only I want. Okay, according to room by default it will capture the size, you can see. If you want to change the size, you can select the particular room. See, if I will move this wall, you can check it. Suppose again I want to do it like this. Next I want to add bedroom. So I want bedroom, it is small size. See, as you can compare the size, it is larger than the bathroom. Bathroom also we have selected as a small, but by default it will capture, as I told. So we are almost done with this. Or if you want to replace, you can replace the placement. Bedroom I want, instead of this, or else I'll keep here only. Later I'll show you how to do that. Next, now I'm almost done, so validate I will do. Until you will validate, it will not move. See, now I can move this. Or else you can rename it later. So next I want to add walls. So here it is asking, so just you have to draw walls. So zoom little, and from here to here, see, as you can see where it will get close, there it will show the end. So now almost our 1 BHK plan has completed. Just now you have to add the doors. So just select the, now suppose this is the entrance, add door. See, door has, then edit door. Here it will ask replace interior door. I want folding door, and this one, as you can see. And then once if you will select, again edit option, it will come, change wall side, change opening side. So opening side I want to make it inside, apply, edit. Next you can add the window also, add window. You can see, select, add window. Automatically by default with standard size, it just to focus on the how to create, later you will get idea one by one. So this is the 2D plan. Again, how to change the flooring I have shown you, change material. Suppose I want stone, you can go for that. So this is not good for this. Vinyl I'll select, sheet vinyl or tile. So I want tiles. I'll select this wooden texture. If you'll go for edit, it will ask, so I'll do cancel. Again, change material, we will add carpet, plain or pattern. Suppose pattern, if I'll select, as you can see. So this is 2D. If I will select 3D, you can see the plan. See, you can rotate, just hold the finger and rotate, just drag surroundingly like this. So this is the basic plan how you can create. I have shown in this application. It's very good application. You can create easily within a 5 minutes any plan. Just go for again 2D and then add furniture. Now I'll select bed. I want to place bed. Suppose this bed I want. So where is our bedroom? So I have replaced this. So I'll keep bed here. Next I want to add, go back, kitchen. So all types of kitchen material, whatever utensil, everything it will get. Suppose for your understanding I'll place any one. So this is a, you consider as a kitchen cabinet. Next I want sofa. I'll select it as a sofa. You will get varieties of option. So this, now how to rotate, just select this and this arrow key you have to press. This table I will place. Again just select and this arrow key you have to press. So in 3D you can see. I'll zoom this, how it will look. In bedroom also you can see the bed. So this is a home by me application. You can install and you can enjoy this. Keep trying, keep doing designs. If any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thanks for the watching.